Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I'm with the demo. So the requirement was to sum up all the number of beds from the tent, ROM, and the bungalows in one column, and here it is number of beds. Now here you can see the total of all the entries available on the website for column H, I, and J. And the other thing was that there you are getting some multiple inputs in same cell. Like in this one, you have not this one. Yep, on these cells. You can see currently you have three entries in here and I think almost eight entries in this one. And you want to split those in separate for column K, L, and M. So I have made that condition here as well. So here you can see K1 to K10. So I'm supposing that there could be maximum 10 options available in any of this single cell. And here you can see all of these got splitted in each its own cell here as well as per your given description. And these are for the column L1 to L10, and these are uh, the 10 options available, maybe if there are six or seven, doesn't matter. So you can now reference these columns for the filling in the documents accordingly. So if this is the first one is the activity chosen, the second one is on-site activity, and third one is the off-site. So this one is the activity chosen. These are the on-site activities and these are the off-site activities. So you can use these columns. So I have kept those as K, L, and M. So you can understand that these are the split of column K, which is included activities, and these are the on-site activities, and these are the off-site activities. So you can use these in your Zapier, whatever you are using to create the document. So yeah, let me show you another demo with another entry. So currently we have the last entry on row 13, row 14. Let me add another row. Maybe let's copy these on row 18. And here you can see it has splitted all the entries accordingly. So there were four entries in column K. And here you can see one, two, three, four. All four got splitted separately, which you can use for further processing of the Google document generation. And here also, you can see each of the entries are splitted in their own cells. Yep. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need this. Looking forward for your review. Take care.